What's happening, responsible day traders? Today is Wednesday, August 12th, 2020. I'm Lindsay Duff, and this is Responsible Day Trading. Today was a very interesting day for me. I did go to the doctor. She said things are healing really nice, and I'm excited about that. No complaints there. I mean, my foot does hurt like crazy to walk on it, and she said that is probably because of the compensating that I'm doing walking on it. Let's talk a little bit about what happened today. I took a lot of entries today, so I have 9 trades in total. I was really waiting for that push up and was moving my risk up little by little. I started off with a loss, a very small loss, a break even, and a loss. My day began with 4 points down. It's never a fun place to be. There was some tension I could feel in my thought process in the beginning. What I did was I just sat back and had to say it is what it is. I've had quite a few things on my mind. I am creating some partnerships with a few people, so that is definitely bustling through my head. Kind of takes away from being fully involved in the market. With that being said, let's go ahead and check it out. There she blows. Today was a little bit of what looked like a cluster F, okay? But really it wasn't bad trading. There was a lot of entries, a lot of expectations. I was using the 233 as a main guide during all this, but really making sure I was listening to the signals of, is this really pushing down further? As it was pushing a little bit further, I did start to trust myself. I wasn't super happy with my last exit, and then I looked at that and said, you know what? I'm good with it. So we're going to be okay. 9 trades, 3 losses, 1.5 break evens, because there was the break even here, which was a separation of 2 contracts that put me in those 2 contracts in 2 separate spaces. That's how that day went for me. Definitely not gonna trade tomorrow. If I feel like I can finish my list tonight, I may trade tomorrow. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. That's all I can give it. I don't commit myself to trading every day, and that's on purpose because I have a lot of things that I want to do. I have my eggs in mini baskets, as I think we all should. Personally, now it's like, what basket can I drop this egg off in next? We'll just keep boop, 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 dropping those eggs off in baskets. All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap this up. The video is kind of long today, and it's gonna be exciting. There's gonna be a lot of twists and turns in this. So definitely leave me a comment. I would love to hear what you have to say about things. And if you got any questions, hit me up. You know where you can find me, Lindsay at responsibledaytrading.com, or you can find us at info@responsibledaytrading.com. Don't forget, we've got that 25% lifetime discount for you profit trader. So I guess I'll let you enjoy the show. All right, let's get this party started. Oh, heart close down, heart close up, pushing towards the upside. I really want to give this just one shot. I may be a little ahead of the game. See if it grabs me. I'm gonna hit close. I'm a little off here. Give me a moment. I just keep looking at these MACDs, the way they're still going down, and it's making it very hard for me because I do see reasons for this to continue up. But what it's probably going to do is come down here, tag that area, and then go up. Okay. Gonna put me right behind here. Right behind here, which is perfect. I'm not going to chase it. It's either going to pick me up here or it's not. Very, very weak to the downside. I like the way these have kind of hit that bottom and started to move up a little bit. There we go. Oh, it only put one of them. Gotta put the other one in there. Okay. Isn't that lovely when it touches it 15 times and doesn't take it? There we go. Now I need to spread these open a little bit. I'm going to take one more of these out, just a little peace of mind. Okay. Let's see if it'll pull back and grab me right in there. There we go. This one still sit right there would be the perfect place for that to be sitting still. Babies are getting white, pulling right in here. Okay. Just kept pulling back a little bit deeper. Those actually didn't hurt me much, the losses that I took in there. Very, very small. I'm having fun adding contracts here for some reason. Ready for this? Yep. So watch this go now. this one out here. Just watch them right in here, the way these closes are taking place. I think I'm gonna go ahead and pull one more out here. Watch them right in here. The babies are getting a little white here, but nothing to be too concerned about. I'm gonna go ahead and take this one out. I feel my heart racing a little bit because I've traded a lot more. I'm really pushing the envelope with this area with some things that I've been working on the sidelines, holding my wrist longer, waiting to move it, and it makes me a little nervous and maybe a little jumpy. So I'm just gonna put that out there. What is about me not wanting to hit close? I don't know. That's gonna be it though. I've already looked at my trades. 9 trades, 15-15. Start off with a loss, a break even, a loss, and then it started, I got another loss. So I did get 3 losses, a break, 1.5 break evens, and then just kind of crawled my way up from there. Oof. Hey, it's not pretty, but we have no rules on how many trades we should take, only on how we should behave during them. Just want to look at my bigger charts real quick. Wow. It's amazing how many signals those MACDs give you to stay in or get out. And it was really telling me that, man, I overstayed my welcome. I waited for the divergence. I got it here, and then I just wanted it to still work out here. So that's why I waited a little longer to take the exit. But man, is that a drop or what? Oh, wow. It was about an hour and a half worth of trading, and well, close to an hour and a half. I would say probably there were definitely times when my hands were getting sweaty. I was like, man, are you making it? I was second guessing myself, especially because there were times when I really thought that I should be in this market short. And I found myself in the very beginning fighting back and forth between it. But you know what? It is what it is. I have an all right open day tomorrow, so let's see if we can get some trading done tomorrow. I have some commitments, so we'll see how that goes. I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up, y'all. It has been a little bit of a stressful hour and a half. It's like you could see it crawling up, and I could see the reasons for it to go up. I don't think my management was great, but you know, it is what it is. I only had one full loss and 2 very small losses. So sometimes you're your biggest critic, right? So, all right, guys, we're going to go ahead and wrap this up. I hope that everybody has a wonderful Wednesday. And as always, I look forward to catching you on the profitable side. I love y'all being here with me, so please like and subscribe so we can spend a little more time together.